illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a monkey character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our monkey illustration. Now we're going to start with our monkey's head, but our monkey's head is a little bit diagonal, so it's not straight up and down. So we're going to start with a curved line that will be for the top of our monkey's head, but you'll see that it's not straight across. It's a little bit to the side here. And then we'll add two sides. And then we'll connect those two with a line here. All right, now we'll add the monkey's ears. 1. And 2. We'll add these interior details here as well. And 2 little hairs up on top. And we're going to add the details to the monkey's face now, which is basically like drawing the shape of a heart for the face, and we'll be adding the eyes, the nose, and the mouth into this space here. All right, now we'll work on both eyes, and the eyes are little circles, so we'll do one on this side and one on this side. And of course we'll add some pupils in here too. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of that paper showing through, and that just creates what's called an eye highlight. Two eyebrows. Now for the nose and the mouth, we're going to start with the nose, and we're just going to make a curved line there with 2 little nostrils to indicate our monkey's nose. And then a smile. All right, now we're going to work on the body, the arms, and the legs, and our monkey is swinging from a vine, so that's going to be really fun to do. So we'll start with the main part of the body here. And just like we did with the ears, we'll add an interior to this shape as well so that we can make the inside of this a different color, just like we can make the inside of the ears a different color. All right, now we're going to draw the arm that's holding on to the vine first. So we're going to start on this side, and we're going to create 2 diagonal lines. 1 and 2. Now for the hand is going to be holding on to a vine. Okay, so it's going to look similar to this. So we're going to make the thumb that curves in front. And then we'll add a couple fingers here. And the rest of the palm. All right, little detail here so the hand can be a different color than the rest of the arm. So we'll add our vine that our monkey is holding on to next. Here's one half. And the other half. And we can add a little texture to this vine, just a couple little loops, and that can indicate some little leaves on the vine. Just a couple little leaves there. All right, now we can finish up with the other arm and the legs, and of course the tail. Can't forget the tail. All right, so for the other arm, it's just going to be hanging down by our monkey side here. And the fingers. And similar to this arm, we'll add a couple details here that can indicate this part of the arm is a different color than this part of the arm. All right, our legs are going to be curved. And little feet here. With again that same detail as the arms. And the other leg down here. And feet. Now, of course, I love to draw really fun curving lines. So the monkey's tail is probably one of my favorite parts of this character. We're going to make a big, fun, curvy tail all the way back up. Now, because our monkey is swinging on the vine, it's really great if we can add a few action lines just to show that our monkey is moving around a little bit. So you can add a couple of these wherever you'd like to. All right, illustrators, there is the outline of our monkey character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get some crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our monkey characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our monkey characters. Great job today. I hope you all had so much fun, and I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.